All right, it's Saturday, and the weather gave us a little break. That means we're gonna try a new ride. Let's go to the Steakhouse. I haven't been there in about 20 years. Let's just ride by and check it out. Rock and roll. Golf course road. I'm sure you're familiar with that from previous videos. Continuing on Golf Course Road, which veers to the right. Got the golf course there on the left. Once again, Golf Course Road curves to the right, which would be headed south. Although someday we're going to go exploring that short road ahead. Cows. Move. Alright, I just want to point out to you that on a previous video we took a right here on North Shoshone Loop. But this time, no, we are going forward and seeing if we can get a picture of that steakhouse. Onward we go. So this is where Golf Course Road comes to an end. We're at Skalkaho Road now, and we're going to take a left, which is headed to the east. Alright, this is the Skalkaho Steakhouse. I've eaten here once before, about 20 years ago, and it's probably the most classy restaurant out in the middle of nowhere that you can find. Alright, we're going to head a little bit further up the east, see if we can find anything to explore. nice place to stop with some river access. Beautiful. If I would have went straight, that would go all the way to Highway 93. But that would be the more boring route. So let's take the fun route, back on Golf Course Road. This looks like a good picture spot. Why not? Alright, that was a fun stop. Let's rock and roll. Alright, so that's Tammany Lane where we explored very recently, but we didn't come out that end. Anyway, onward we go. Turn my body. Not so easy when you're riding. Oh, it's one of those things for the helmet cam instead. Lane. All right, my friends, fellow scooter, maxi scooter, and motorcycle riders, for people that just like to live every day on the edge and have a blast. We are done. Signing off.